Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi, and if you're new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, but thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I did this Brazilian wool crochet wig, guys. Like, it's looking like my real natural hair, guys. So let's get into the tutorial. So I'm going to be using this Brazilian wool here. 2 bundles of it, guys, was enough, and as you've seen, the wig was so full, guys. So you only need to, so right here I'm going to measure 40 inches, and then I'm going to put the hair on the mannequin stand, and then I'm going to just wrap around the mannequin stand so that my hair can be the same length. I'm just going to wrap around right there, and then I'm going to cut both sides, and the final length of my hair was 40 inches. So you can cut it according to the length you want, but mine, I wanted it to be a little bit longer. So when you fold the hair on crocheting, it will be 20 inches long. So right here, just cut 40 inches, and then when you fold the hair in half when you're crocheting, it will be 20 inches long. So right here I'm just going to cut the other side, and then I'm going to divide the hair into 3 sections so that when I brush the hair, it will be easier for me to separate and detangle it. So I'm just using my brush, and then I'm going to brush it until it is smooth, guys. Brushing is the key when you're working with Brazilian wool. So you have to brush until your hair is smooth like this, guys. So after that, I'm going to be using this weaving cap, this crochet wig cap, and then I'm going to place it on the mannequin head inside out, because I want to sew some clips before I start crocheting. So I'm going to sew 3 clips right here at the front, 1 on the middle, and 2 on the sides. So right here, guys, I'm just going to sew the clip right here on top, and then I'll sew the other side, the other 2 on the sides, so that my wig will be secure and it will stay in place. If you want to sew another one at the back, you can go ahead and do that, but I only sewed 3 right here at the front, and the wig was secure, it stayed in place. So I'm just going to continue to sew. After sewing, I'm going to remove my wig cap, and then I'm going to put it back on the mannequin the right side out. So these clips, you have to sew them inside and make sure they are facing the right direction that it should face when you are wearing your wig. So make sure you try it on your head to see the direction to sew, and then you sew it before you make any mistakes sewing it in the wrong direction. Make sure you try it on first. When you just place it on your head and you see the way it should go, the way the clips should go, and then put that on your wig cap and do the same thing and sew. So this is how I did the clips, and then I'm going to start with the crocheting process. So for the crochets, I'm going to separate a small portion of hair like this, and then I'm going to brush the hair again before crocheting, guys. This way your wig won't be tangled, it will be smooth, guys. So yeah, the key when you're working with Brazilian wool, like I said, is brushing your hair. Every step you have to brush the hair. So right here I just pass the hair through and tie it like that. So take your crochet, pass it through your wig cap like that, and then place your hair on the hook, close the lash, and then put the hair through, and then open a loop, then pass your hair through the loop like that, guys. It's so simple and easy. So I'm going to be using my thumb for the gap in between the crochets. So pass your crochet through, put your hair, close the lash, then pull it through, open your loop, then take your hair, pass it through the loop, and tie. I'm going to tie only once throughout the entire wig, guys. So I'm just going to continue to crochet, and then at the front I'm going to be doing the invincible crocheting method. So right here at the back I'm going to do this, and then at the front I'm going to do a different method. So make sure when you're crocheting, you space your hair out, guys, so that it won't be that full, because with Brazilian wool your wig can be fuller with just a little bit of hair, so make sure you space it out. So right here at the front, I'm going to pass through the loop only one side of the wool, guys. So take your crochet, pass it through your wig cap like that, and then put your hair, close the latch, and then pull only one side of the wool on the loop, and then the other side is going to cover that knot. So just put one side of the wool on the loop, and the other remaining part at the front is going to cover the knot on the crochet, like that, guys. So doing this method is the best. If you want to put your wig like without leave out at the back, you can do like a half up, half down without leave out, and it will be good because the wig, everything will be covered. There won't be any wig cap showing. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue doing that. I did this from one side of the ear all the way to the other side of the ear. Right here at the front, only one line, and at the back I did the crocheting method that I started with. So this is how it's looking after doing the invincible crocheting method right here at the front. And then I'm just going to trim the hair, and then after trimming, I'm going to be dipping the hair in hot water. So I'm going to be using this Pure Touch conditioner. So I'm just going to put it right there, about 3 drops, and then I'm going to put hot water inside, and then I'm going to mix the water and the conditioner, and I will place my wig inside the water. So I'm going to dip the entire wig inside the water, and then I'm going to leave it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes so that the hair can be really soft. When I'm want to detangle it later on, it can be easier to do that. So just place your hair inside the water, make sure everything goes in there, and then I'm going to be placing a foil on top, so that the heat can be trapped inside, and it will help to soften the hair. So yeah, guys, that is how I dip the hair inside the water and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and place a foil on top so that the heat can be trapped inside, and it will help to soften your wig. So after 15 minutes, I'm going to remove the hair from the water, and then I'm going to leave it to dry overnight, and then when it's dry, you can go to the next step. So this is how it's looking like after dipping it in water, and this is how it's looking like when it was dry and when I brushed it out. So right here at the front, this is the hair that I have not brushed out yet. It's just the way it will look like when you've just removed it from the water. So I'm going to separate the hair section by section, like the hair that I crocheted on each crochet. I'm going to separate it, and then I'm going to brush it using this Bristol brush. So I'm going to place the hair on the brush, and then use my thumb to press it down, and it will be easier to brush the hair out, guys. Look at that, it's looking like 4C hair, guys. This is so beautiful, guys. So I'm just going to continue to brush the hair, each crochet on its own, so that it will give a good finish, guys. So make sure you brush it one by one. I know it's a lot of process, but the final result will be worth it. Your wig won't be tangled, it will be really smooth. So I'm just going to continue to brush the hair one by one until I'm done brushing the entire wig. So after brushing your wig, this is the final result. And then for the installation, I just left a little bit of leaf out, and my hair is 4C, and the texture of this wool was looking like 4C, so it blended really well, guys. It was looking like my hair. Like, guys, I love this wool, guys. Do let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Are you also going to try it out? If you have 4C here, it will blend really well, guys. Do try it out. So right here I'm just unraveling the flat twist that I had on my hair, and then I'm going to brush the hair, and then I'm going to use my hot air brush to make sure that my hair is a little bit straight, so that it can blend really well with the wig. So right here I'm just brushing the hair with my hot air brush, and then I'm going to be using Isoplast gel to make sure that my hair is going all the way to the back, like the hairline, everything is going to the back. Just a little bit of Isoplast gel, not a lot. We don't want to slick the hair, we want it to stay in the natural way. Yeah, so don't use a lot of gel, just a little bit, to make sure that your edges are going to the back, everything is going to the back. So I'm just brushing the hair using an edge brush and Isoplast gel, and then after this I'm going to use my bistro brush to brush the entire hair, like my leave out, and you are done, guys. You are done, guys. Yeah, look at that, guys. It's looking like my hair. I've grown 20 inches of natural hair in minutes. Oh, this is lovely. Do let me know, guys, if you're going to try this wig. Do let me know what you think about this, and if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and share this video, guys. Yeah, so I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.